This video will show how to unpack and set up the ParticleTech Analyzer. First, unpack the content of the flight case by opening the flight case and removing the foam cover. Then, take out the two power supplies, accessories, and Ethernet cables. Furthermore, take out the router, located in the side foam. Finally, take out the oscilloscope from the flight case and place it on a sturdy table. Now, take out the oscilloscope from the plastic bag. Next, take one of the Ethernet cables and connect one end to the port on the router labeled oscilloscope. Connect the other end of the cable to the Ethernet port on the rear side of the oscilloscope. Next, take the other Ethernet cable and connect it to the port on the router labeled PC. Connect the other end of the cable to the PC that will be used for analysis. Now, plug in the power supply labeled router to the router by inserting the barrel plug into the rear side of the router. Then, plug the power adapter into the mains power. Now, wait a couple of minutes for the router to start up. When the router has started, the SYS diode will be blinking. This might take a couple of minutes. When the router has started, you can now power on the oscilloscope. This is done by plugging in the power supply labeled oscilloscope to the instrument by inserting the barrel plug into the rear side of the oscilloscope. Then, plug the power adapter into the mains power. The oscilloscope will now boot. This can be seen as the camera slowly moving to the upper left corner. Note that this may take a couple of minutes. When the camera has moved to the upper left corner, the oscilloscope will be ready to analyze the first sample. To do this, you will need the ParticleTech software. You can check out how to install the software in our video called Installing ParticleTech Analyzer Software.